You said that there was a sentiment of victor's justice, where most alleged war criminals never stand trial, and those who do are the ones who have lost political power. Do you think that still exists in today's world?
Oh, absolutely. International criminal law is applied where it's possible to do so. It's not a perfect system, and those who are powerful or who have powerful friends often evade justice. And there's another aspect of this too, which goes directly to the Syria question, and that concerns whether or not alleged war criminals are investigated and prosecuted by their own countries. And one of the things that sits uncomfortably in the current situation concerning Syria is that President Obama ordered that there not be criminal investigations of alleged engagement in torture or the ordering of torture or other war crimes by U.S. citizens and U.S. government employees during the Bush years. So there's an opening to accusations of selectivity here, including on the part of Obama. Why did you not investigate the waterboarding that took place under the prior administration? And yet here you're willing to send missile strikes against a sovereign state for another alleged war crime. But torture is a fundamental norm, a fundamental rule of customary international law, on par with the prohibition on chemical weapons. And so consistency is really important, and consistency between different countries, but also consistency in terms of what countries do with regards to their own citizens or those who live within their borders.
Okay. You mentioned the previous administration, but what about the current administration with regards to Guantanamo and drone strikes killing civilians? Why is Obama not subject to the same kind of scrutiny that Assad is subject to?
Yeah. Well, one of the great disappointments for many people, including myself, is that President Obama has not closed down the prison at Guantanamo Bay. And that is unacceptable from a moral and legal perspective, to have people detained indefinitely without trial and conviction. The drone strikes raise different concerns, primarily concerns about the risk posed to civilians through these actions. And each particular drone strike has to be seen in its context. Where did it take place? What were the circumstances? What risk might there have been to civilians in the area? So some might have been legal, and some would almost certainly have been illegal.